So, adverbials of time. They tell the reader when something is going to happen and the order in which it is happening. So when you're writing instructions, this is a really important feature that you need to include, as instructions are chronological. So you need to tell the reader when to do their particular instruction. So some examples of adverbials of time are firstly, after, immediately, next, finally, now, then. So here we have got a picture of somebody spreading butter over bread. So this would be the first step. So firstly, spread the butter over the bread. So here we have got our adverbial of time highlighted in yellow. Then place 2 slices of ham on top of one of the pieces of bread. So then this tells us that we need to do it after we have buttered the bread, because that is the next step then.